From an empty room on the first floor, as the cars pass by the liquor store, I deconstruct my thoughts at this piano. And it's all that I can do to stay with all the things I didn't say to you before you moved across the country. And from the burning building where I lay, as I watch the stars become the day, the LA girls are lacing up their sneakers. They run the boardwalks and the beach. This fishbowl life is all they need. It's everything I needed to, until I heard the news. You told me that you moved this country on a frequency. But I am slipping through, I am slipping through, I am slipping into the airwaves. And this is nothing new, you are slipping through my fingers and into the airwaves. The static's where you find me. From the corner by the studio, the gold-soaked afternoon comes slow. I deconstruct my thoughts and I am walking by. And on 3rd Street the freak show thrives. Santa Monica's alive, but something's not so right inside. Living with the news. You told me that you moved this country on a frequency. I am slipping through, I am slipping through, I am slipping into the airwaves. And this is nothing new, you are slipping through my fingers and into the airwaves, into the airwaves. So hang on, it's gonna be a hard day. So hang on, don't panic, there simply is no need. It's gonna be a hard day, it's gonna be a hard day. Don't panic, we are hanging here, we are hanging here. I am slipping through, I am slipping through, I am slipping into the airwaves. And this is nothing new, you are slipping through my fingers and into the airwaves, into the airwaves. It's gonna be a hard day, so hang on, don't panic, there simply is no